In this video, we take a look at the Subaru factory in the United States of America in the state of Indiana. The production process starts with welding, then assembling the individual parts of the car, up to the final quality control and test drive. Subaru Impreza, Outback, Crosstrek and Forester, all manufactured step by step in this exact factory. This car factory, located in Lafayette, Indiana, is an automotive manufacturing facility owned and operated by Subaru of Indiana Automotive. It is the only Subaru production facility located outside of Japan, and plays a crucial role in Subaru's global manufacturing network. The factory has a rich history and has significantly contributed to Subaru's success in the United States. Construction of this factory began in May 1987, and production officially started in September 1989. The factory was established as a joint venture between Subaru Corporation, formerly known as Fuji Heavy Industries, and Isuzu Motors, with the initial purpose of producing Subaru vehicles for the American market. However, Isuzu withdrew from the partnership in 2003, and since then, the plant has been solely owned by this manufacturer. This huge factory spans over 832 acres, making it one of the largest automotive assembly plants in the United States. The facility employs thousands of workers, and has a production capacity of approximately 400,000 vehicles per year. The factory operates on a two-shift schedule, running 6 days a week to meet the strong demand for Subaru vehicles in the American market. One of the key factors that make the Subaru Indiana factory unique is its commitment to environmental sustainability. The facility has been designed and built with a strong focus on reducing its environmental impact. It was the first automotive assembly plant in America to achieve zero landfill status, meaning that all waste generated by the factory is either recycled or turned into electricity. This achievement reflects Subaru's dedication to eco-friendly manufacturing practices. The Subaru Indiana factory primarily produces two of Subaru's most popular models, the Subaru Outback and the Subaru Legacy. These vehicles have gained a reputation for their exceptional quality, reliability, and performance, which has contributed to Subaru's success in the competitive American automotive market. The factory's skilled workforce, advanced manufacturing processes, and strict quality control measures ensure that every vehicle produced meets Subaru's high standards. In addition to producing vehicles, this factory is also responsible for manufacturing engines and transmission components. This vertical integration allows Subaru to maintain a high level of control over the quality and performance of its products. The factory houses state-of-the-art machining, assembly, and testing facilities to ensure that the engines and transmissions meet Subaru's rigorous specifications. The Subaru Indiana factory has undergone several expansions and upgrades throughout its history to accommodate the growing demand for Subaru vehicles. These expansions have included the addition of new production lines, the implementation of advanced manufacturing technologies, and the construction of larger facilities. Subaru's investments in the factory reflect its long-term commitment to the American market and its confidence in the skills and capabilities of its workforce. Beyond its economic impact, the Subaru Indiana factory actively engages with the local community. The company is involved in various philanthropic activities and partnerships, supporting education, environmental conservation, and other social initiatives. Subaru's commitment to corporate social responsibility is reflected in its efforts to make a positive difference in the communities where it operates. In conclusion, the Subaru Indiana factory in Lafayette, Indiana, is a significant manufacturing facility for Subaru of Indiana Automotive. It has played a crucial role in Subaru's success in the United States, producing high-quality vehicles that have earned the trust and loyalty of customers. With its focus on environmental sustainability and community engagement, the Subaru Indiana factory stands as an example of responsible manufacturing and corporate citizenship. Subaru produces a variety of models both in the United States and Japan. The models made in the US at the Indiana factory include the Subaru Outback and Legacy. On the other hand, they manufactures many of its other models in Japan. The manufacturing process of these cars involves several stages, including design, engineering, stamping, welding, painting, assembly, and quality control. Let's explore these aspects in more detail. The Subaru Outback and Legacy are two of Subaru's most popular models produced in the United States. The Subaru Indiana factory, located in Lafayette, Indiana, is responsible for their production. These models have gained recognition for their ruggedness, reliability, and versatility. The Subaru Indiana factory operates on a two-shift schedule, running 6 days a week to meet the demand for these vehicles. Subaru's other models, such as the Forester, Crosstrek, Impreza, and Subaru WRX, are primarily manufactured in Japan. Subaru has several manufacturing facilities in Japan, including the Gunma main plant in Ota City, Gunma Prefecture, and the Ujima plant in Lata City, Gunma Prefecture. These plants play a significant role in Subaru's global production capacity and cater to both domestic and international markets. The manufacturing process of Subaru cars involves several stages, each contributing to the final product's quality, reliability, and performance. Here's a breakdown of the typical manufacturing process. Subaru's design and engineering teams work together to create innovative and appealing vehicle designs, while incorporating the brand's signature symmetrical all-wheel drive system. The design phase involves conceptualizing the vehicle's aesthetics, functionality, and performance characteristics. The engineering phase focuses on developing the mechanical systems, electrical components, and safety features. The stamping process involves shaping large steel sheets into various body panels, including doors, hoods, fenders, and roofs. These panels are formed using specialized hydraulic or mechanical presses that apply immense force to create precise shapes and contours. Stamping is a crucial step that ensures consistency and accuracy in the vehicle's body structure. During the welding process, the stamped body panels are joined together using a combination of robotic and manual welding techniques. High-strength steel is utilized extensively to enhance the vehicle's structural integrity and crashworthiness. The welding process involves spot welding, arc welding, and laser welding to create a strong and rigid body shell. After welding, the vehicle body undergoes a meticulous painting process. This process includes several stages such as cleaning, priming, painting, and clear coating. The body is thoroughly cleaned to remove any contaminants, then treated with a protective primer. Subsequently, multiple coats of paint are applied using automated robotic systems, ensuring an even and durable finish. Finally, a clear coat is applied to protect the paint and provide a glossy appearance. During the assembly phase, the vehicle body receives its various components, including the engine, transmission, suspension, interior trim, electrical systems, and other parts. Skilled technicians, along with automated equipment, meticulously install and integrate these components, following standardized procedures and quality control measures. The assembly process requires precise coordination and attention to detail to ensure the seamless integration of all parts. Quality control is an integral part of Subaru's manufacturing process. At various stages of production, rigorous inspections and tests are conducted to ensure that each vehicle meets Subaru's high standards. These tests encompass functional assessments, performance evaluations, safety checks, and cosmetic inspections. Any issues or deviations discovered during quality control are addressed and rectified before the vehicle proceeds to the next stage. Subaru cars have gained popularity due to their symmetrical all-wheel drive capability, reliability, safety focus, versatility, resilience in challenging conditions, active brand community, and environmental consciousness. These factors contribute to Subaru's appeal, attracting customers seeking dependable, capable, and socially responsible vehicles.